function. It is a predefined formula that performs calculations using specific values in a particular order. In Excel, it includes many common functions that can be used to quickly find the sum, average, count, round, maximum, and minimum value for a range of cell. Ngayon, isa-isahin natin ang components ng function. Una, equal sign. Susundan ng name of the function, followed by the arguments. Sample, open parenthesis, B1 to B3, and then the last one, the reference operator, which is the column and the comma. Then, ang basic Excel function. Unang-una dito, the sum function. Sum function adds values of columns or rows of number or range of cell. Next, the average function is used to find the average or arithmetic mean of a list of numbers. Third, max. The max function is used to find the largest or maximum number in a given list of numbers or arguments. Then mean. The mean function is used to find the smallest or minimum values in a list of numbers or arguments. Next, count. The count function is used to count cells that contains numbers. Round function is used to reduce a value by specific number or decimal places. Ngayon, gamitin natin ang mga nabanggit na function dito sa ating example. Get the total of column B, C, and D. Dito, pwede nating unahing gamitin ang summation. You just simply click the summation and then automatic lalabas na yung function. And then select the given data, enter. Yan, bilis. Pwede rin nating i-type yung formula. So, type equal sign, sum, followed by open parenthesis, and then select the given data, and then type close parenthesis. Enter. Yan, nakuha natin 60. Number 2, average. Get the average number in column B. Yan. Una, pwede natin gamitin ang summation. Click the summation. And then, hanapin natin average. So, automatic, makikita natin yung average function. You just simply select the given data and then automatic lalabas ang result. Or, maaari nating i-type ang equal sign, average, open parenthesis, and then select the given data, and then type the close parenthesis, enter. Yan, the result is 10. Maximum. Get the highest number in column B, C, and D. Type equal sign, max for maximum, then open parenthesis, select the given data from B4 to B6, and then type close parenthesis, enter. Yan, automatic lalabas na ang final answer, 15. Minimum. Get the lowest number in column C and D. So, lowest. So, C. Type natin equal sign, followed by min for minimum, open parenthesis. Okay, select C4 to D6, and then close parenthesis, enter. So, automatic, makukuha natin yung 2. Round function. Display the rounded values of cell B6 into whole numbers. Type equal sign, followed by round function, then type open parenthesis, and then click D6, comma, and then 0. close parenthesis, enter. Okay, so automatic lalabas yung sagot na 6. Wala na siyang decimal place. Ang huli ay count function. Now, count the number of cells that contain numbers. Okay, so type equal sign followed by the count function, open parenthesis, and then select all given data from B4 to D6, and then type close parenthesis, enter. 9. Okay, nakuha natin 9 kasi kung bibilangin natin lahat ng cells na mayroong numbers ay 9. Ngayon panoorin natin tong sample about grading system. So makikita natin dito kung paano in-apply ang mga functions na ginamit. So meron tayong given na 8 names, quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, and quiz number 4. So kukunin natin ngayon ang kanyang total quiz and then yung total average together with the sum ng total quiz at ng total average, ganun din ang kanyang average, minimum, maximum, count, and the round. I-round off natin yung average para mawala ang decimal places. Okay, panoorin natin at tignan yung mabuti.